In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Asana desktop app. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Asana account in a web browser. It's easiest to do this on your main computer, since that's where you'll be installing the app. Once you're on your Asana home screen, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the page. There you'll see your profile icon. This might be your initials, a small profile photo, or a default avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account and workspace. From this list, you want to look for the option labeled Settings. This is where Asana keeps most of the controls for your personal preferences and connected tools. Click on Settings to open the Settings window. A new panel or pop-up will appear, usually in the middle of your screen. Along the top of this window, you'll see several tabs that help you navigate different sections, such as Profile, Notifications, and so on. Look for the tab labeled Apps. This is the area where Asana centralizes its integrations and downloads, including access to the desktop app. Click on the Apps tab to continue. Once you're in the Apps section, you should see different options related to connecting Asana with other tools, as well as a specific area for the desktop application. Here, look for a button or link labeled Download. This is the control that starts the download process for the Asana desktop app that matches your operating system, whether you're on Windows or Mac OS. Go ahead and click Download. After you click, your browser will begin downloading the installer file. You might see it appear at the bottom of your browser window or in your Downloads folder. From here, you would simply open that file and follow the on-screen instructions to finish installing the app on your computer. The exact steps of the installation can vary slightly depending on your system, but generally you'll just confirm that you want to install, choose the destination, and allow it to complete. Once installed, you'll be able to open Asana directly from your desktop or applications folder without needing to go through your browser each time, making it quicker and easier to stay on top of your tasks